There's a really interesting concept that pops up in engineering failures known as expertise bias. Now, what is expertise bias? Well, let's start with expertise. You possess expertise to do your job, and you're probably of the view that the more expertise you can accrue, the better at your job you'll be, and the less susceptible to failure you'll be. But is this always the case? Well, the really interesting thing is it's not. And where you get caught out is where you try and apply that expertise to a situation that is so similar to previous situations you've been in, but is actually subtly different. In other words, your expertise isn't covering off properly the situation you're in. Now, the good news is you're likely to get warning signs that your expertise isn't quite cutting it, that it's not appropriate for the situation you're in. Unfortunately, the psychologists say that you will probably ignore those warning signs. You'll look at those warning signs, you'll say, I've never seen them before. Those warning signs are inconsistent with my expertise, so they mustn't be important. I have expertise bias. I'm going to rely on my expertise to guide me through this process, and I'm going to ignore the warning signs. And we see this in failure after failure. We see the warning signs were there, but they weren't acknowledged for what they were. And one of the reasons this happens is because expertise bias. We see the world through the prism of our expertise. And there's a wonderful law called the law of the instrument that describes this really succinctly. When all you have is a hammer, everything looks like a nail.